A.
Actually, ma'am, if I could just clarify.
K.
Clarify, go ahead.
Meron pong bagong tanong para sa inyo. Sino ang isasama mong manood ng sine?
Daming fans ni Ding Dong.
Oo. Hindi po tayo gumagamit ng PICOS. Mas dependable po tonight ang menti. Ayan po. Aasahan po ni Ding Dong na yayayain niyo siyang manood ng sine.
Oo. Kasi sobrang extrovert si Ding Dong.
Yes.
Sobrang
oo.
extrovert. People person talaga siya.
Talaga, oo. And we will be using those votes and the word Czechoslovakia for our next game called Abakadrama. Wow, tinagalog. Abakadrama or ABC soap opera. The dialogue of our characters in this soap opera will begin with the letters that are called out. Pwede po bang magbigay po kayo ng word to describe your day, Miss Brown Copper?
Si Brown Copper.
Marvelous. So, miss na naka-brown sa likod, pag nangisda po kayo sa isang dagat ng basura, ano kaya yung mapupulot ninyo? Diaper. The title of the soap opera is Marvelous Diaper. You choose, we...
C.
Griselda! Nasaan ka na, Griselda?
Z.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late, ma'am. I was cleaning the house.
E.
Eto, nakita mo ba, Griselda, yung diaper ng anak ko?
C.
Cause you know, ma'am, I think your daughter has a bowel problem. I didn't know how to tell you, madam.
H.
Huh? Daughter, bowel problems? I think that's impossible.
O.
Oh, you know, ma'am, I can also explain it in Tagalog if that's what you prefer.
S.
Siyempre naman, nasa Pilipinas tayo.
L.
Alam mo kasi, ma'am, kuminsan yung mga bata, maselan sila sa pagkain. Kung ayaw nila ang pagkain, malalabas din yan sa katawan nila. So, ma'am, baka you have to think about yung nutrition ng
Oh.
anak mo.
Oh my God! Mama!
Ang anak ko,
V.
Vito, yang yaya mo kung ano pinapakain sa'yo.
A.
Actually, ma'am, if I could just clarify.
K.
Clarify, go ahead. I am a licensed nutritionist.
A.
Nutritionist?
Ako naman magsalita!
C.
Can you please wash my pupo?
Z.
Sige na! Hugasan mong puwet niya!
E.
Evidence shows that children should learn how to be independent at an early age.
C.
Can't you do it yourself?
H.
Ha?
O.
Oh my God! I'm only 5 years old!
S.
Saan mo linagay ang tabo?
L.
Look under the table!
O.
Oh, ayan pala eh.
V.
Vito! Vito! What are you doing with that tabo?
K.
Kunin mo na yung tubig.
I will wash myself because I'm a big boy now.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Missy, Ding Dong, and Happy.
So, yes, oo. Thank you. Nagkamali pala ako. Ika-clarify ko lang, baka akala ninyo may dagdag bawas. Ding Dong pala is the voted player, but Missy and Happy are casted in this game. Linaw ko lang. Ding Dong is the voted.
Perfect.
Spit. Manila.